Imagine Ravi bought a stock at 500 rupees. It falls to 350 rupees. In his mind, only one number matters: 500. He thinks he will sell only when it gets back there. This is anchoring bias, sticking to a reference point regardless of reality. Daily life examples show the same. Flipkart lists a product at 2000 rupees, then discounts it to 1200 rupees. We think it's a bargain, even if the fair value is 800 rupees. Petrol price at 110 rupees feels expensive. When it drops to 100 rupees, it feels cheap, though it's still higher than when it was 70 rupees. Salary offers anchor us too. If a friend got 20 lakh rupees, our 12 lakh rupees offer feels low, even if above market average. Anchors in trading are buy prices, IPO issue prices, analyst targets, or group tips. Traders often say, "I'll sell only when it returns to my buy price." But the market doesn't care about your price. Anchoring prevents loss booking and freezes capital. Reliance Power IPO is a classic example. Paytm IPO also shows this bias. Investors remain anchored to 2150 rupees issue price years after it fell. Experiments by Tversky and Kahneman proved anchoring. Random numbers shown before a question anchored participants' estimates. Salary negotiations show the same. The first figure becomes the reference. Real estate studies confirm the asking price anchors buyers.
Over 93% of traders lose money in the markets, not because of the market, but because of their mindset. Hi, I'm GC Sharma, founder of Ghar Investor, former head of financial education at the National Stock Exchange. After 3 decades in the markets, I'm here to help you trade with discipline, not emotion. Welcome to Bounce Back Trader, India's free YouTube learning series for traders who want to bounce back with clarity and confidence.
In trading, SEBI's 2023 study found most retail investors anchored to buy price. This trapped them in Yes Bank. NSE data shows 70% of IPO investors use issue price as anchor. Reliance Power IPO and Paytm IPO investors still wait for issue price recovery. 1. Ego, believing the buy price must be correct. 2. Hope, expecting prices to return. 3. Fear of regret, avoiding pain of booking loss. 4. Social anchors, following group tips or analyst targets. 5. Illusion of fairness, assuming markets will balance. 6. Familiarity, repeating numbers feel like truth. 7. Optimism, believing, my case is different. Ravi bought at 500 rupees, it fell to 200 rupees. He refused to sell, waiting for 500. Neha used stop loss and excited early. Meera, a homemaker, bought at 40 rupees. It fell to 5 rupees. Anchored to 40, she never sold. Kavita, a retired teacher, anchored to 1200 rupees from a tip. Stock collapsed to 300. Aman, a young trader, anchored to Nifty all-time highs. Sunil, a businessman, anchored to peak gold prices, missing exits. Ritika, a student, anchored to Bitcoin's 50 lakh rupees at and held too long. Global example: 2008 housing crash. Owners refused to sell below purchase price, worsening losses. India examples: Yes Bank, RCOM, Sazlon, anchored investors lost everything. To overcome anchoring, follow a 3-step ritual. Step 1: Identify your anchor, buy price, IPO price, analyst target. Step 2: Replace anchor with new data, fundamentals, charts, current trends. Step 3: Validate with rules, journals, stop losses. Reframe: view every loss as tuition fee, not failure. Checklist: would I hold this trade if I didn't know my buy price? Weekly journaling: write down your anchors. Build self-awareness. Anchors form naturally but harm trading. Markets don't care about your buy price. Successful traders cut anchors and make fresh evaluations. Motivational analogy: a balloon tied with rope cannot fly. Cutting the rope lets it soar. Self-reflection exercise: write down today's anchors. Ask, if I didn't know my entry price, would I still hold? Action step, right on your desk. Every trade is a fresh decision. Breaking anchoring bias frees your capital and builds profitable long-term trading.
You've just completed another lesson of Bounce Back Trader. Remember, trade with discipline, not emotion. Subscribe to the channel, share your thoughts in the comments, and continue your journey in the next video. Let's change that 93% story.